Right, so here's the second sheet that I handed out, so I'll just go over some of this now. There's quite a lot of writing in this, but it's actually simpler than you might first think. Right, key is this equation there. Okay, so y equals mx plus c. Right, so remember x and the y, they're not going to change, but your m equals gradient, and your c is actually equal to the y-intercept. So c equals y-intercept. Now, if you have a wee look, my writing's not very good. If you have a wee look down here, what you've got is gradient's 4. Now, y-intercept, that always means that x is equal to 0. Okay, so this, 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 and this is your y-intercept. So if we just go along, we'll say, right, so y equals, gradient is 4, so that just means 4x plus 2. This one is y equals, gradient is 3, so that's 3x, 3 there, and that's plus 1. Okay, this one is y equals, gradient is 9, 9x, but there's no intercept, and y equals, again, have a negative gradient, so that's 2x plus 4. Okay, so that's as simple as that. Now, your next wee questions are to do with parallel lines. Now, if I've got one line and I've got another one, okay, these are parallel lines to each other. They've got the exact same gradient, it just may be that they're intersecting the y-axis at a different place. So remember, gradient is m. So essentially, the pairs that have got the same gradient are parallel, and the same gradient has to have the same number. So if you look, that's 4x, so the gradient's 4 there, and the gradient's 4x plus 4, so 4 there. If we look down here, we've got a gradient of 3, and also another gradient of 3. And notice sometimes they might have the number then x, but you can easily change these around. And we've got a gradient of 2 there, and a gradient of 2 there. Now if I scroll down to this one, what they're now asking is for each set of equations, write down which two have got the same y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is c, which is the end number. So we've got a y-intercept of 2 there and 1 there. We've got a y-intercept, that's of minus 4, that doesn't have a y-intercept, and neither does that. And if we have a wee look at this one, that's got a y-intercept of 3, and that's got a y-intercept of 3. So don't let the x coming after the number put you off. And that's essentially part of that question sheet.